So basically the ledge cover is a 90-degree version of the curb cover. The curb cover is good for California and the ledge cover is good for everywhere else. You can see the curb cover would kind of come out like this one straight flat here on the ledge. I'm going to test this out today and give my honest opinion about this product. So I'm excited about this product because I've been wanting this for a long time. I used to make these myself a decade ago. When I was a kid, I made stuff like this. I would take angle iron, about 6 inches on top, 3 inches on the side, put it on ledges. I would put foam or grip tape or different things on the bottom. I used to get that foam from Walmart, the different colored foam, and stick it on there so it wouldn't slide around. I made a few videos years ago asking if someone would please make something like this. I wanted to patent it and make it myself, but I didn't have the funds at the time and I didn't know how to do it. I didn't know how easy it was to actually patent something. Now I know people who are involved in that. If I had the resources that I have now back then, I definitely would have built this myself. As soon as I got it, I noticed it was extremely light, small, easy to carry around, throw in the back of your car. Even if you have a small compact car, you can take this anywhere. And you can't say that about rails or ledges or most skate obstacles, but this you can take basically anywhere. That's the best thing about it, how light it is. It's also some kind of magic coating on it. Like, I don't know how long that'll last, but right now it slides so good. I'm afraid to wear through this coating because this coating is amazing. I'm gonna have to figure out what they spray on it and buy a can of it and just spray it on there. Maybe some kind of clear coat. I'm hoping when it wears through the paint, it'll still slide good, but if not, I'll just coat it with some clear coat or some kind of paint, something that'll actually slide. So the first part of this video is skating this little stub of a board, and I'm gonna switch that out because I wanna actually be able to do nose slides and tail slides and stuff like that, and I don't really have a nose on this board. So the ledge cover is not really for nose slides and tail slides unless you wax it. So I'm gonna try to wax it up and slide a little bit because I couldn't really nose slide. Even with this board feels good though. So after adding the wax, it slides really good. So when I started this video out yesterday, I was in a really bad mood. I had only slept 2 hours or something the night before. I just came back from a trip. Here's some of the photos I took at Cumberland Falls that weekend. It's possible that my mood tainted my view of this ledge cover. I was disappointed with it the first day and I wasn't skating well because I was really tired. So I'm gonna try it out again today and see if I have a better experience. I actually woke up every hour last night having nightmares about different things from my past. So I didn't really sleep well last night either, so we'll see what happens. So I had a few friends come and skate the ledge cover with me to give me a more well-rounded view of the ledge cover in general. I still feel a little bit disappointed in it, but I think a lot of that disappointment is with myself because I'm just disappointed in my skating the last few days. I haven't been skating that well. I went on a trip, ate a lot, gained a little weight back, and I've just been tired. I haven't slept well. So I'm gonna take the ledge cover out, hit the streets with it in another video, but this video is more of like a first impressions video about this ledge cover. And yeah, I enjoyed it. It slides really well, it's slick, but it's not as good as I thought it would be. So I would make it wider. Also, it wouldn't fall off as much if it was wider. It needs to be heavier. The ones I used to make were heavier than this, and it's good that it's light for transporting it and stuff, but I think it needs to be bigger, longer, heavier. Last time I made a video talking about curb covers and saying they need to make a 90-degree version of it, they actually listened and they made the ledge cover. So I hope they listen on this video and they make a longer, wider, heavier version of this. Do I wish I could get my $200 back? Yes, I do. I could do a lot of good things with $200. But you can't return one of these after you've used it. You can return it if it's still in new condition. There's no money back guarantee, you know, if you don't like it or anything like that. So you just kind of have to deal with it. I'm not saying there should be. It's probably better the way it is. So I did take it to a street spot for just a second, tested it out, and it stayed on the ledge way better on a rough street spot. The thing about the skate park is everything's kind of rounded because it's been grinded a lot and it's covered in wax. I'm just really glad that this product exists. I'm glad I didn't have to patent it myself because I feel like they're not selling a lot of these. at $200 a piece. A lot of adult skateboarders are not going to want these. They're going to want to feel the rough ledge that they're grinding, and a lot of kids aren't going to be able to afford them. So just a few like spoiled rich kids are going to buy these, so they're probably going to break even. So I'm not super mad about the patent or anything. I don't want it. I'm just glad this exists, and it is really fun in a street scenario where it'll actually stick onto the ledge and it's not falling off all the time. I'm sorry, curb cover guys. I didn't mean to be so negative. I like the product. I like skating it. I'm glad you made it. I just want you to make one that's wider on top, that stays on the ledge a little bit better. Maybe I put the foam on wrong. Could be user error. I just want one that's longer, like maybe twice this long. I don't care how much it costs. I don't care how much it costs to ship. I know $200 is already too much to pay for a piece of metal, but just make a bigger one for $400 and I'll buy it. Wider and twice as long, I'll buy that for $400. So buying this wasn't the best financial decision I've ever made. I wish I had the $200 back, but we had fun skating it. The most fun I had skating this was when I set it up on this bank, the small bank, and did tricks on it like it was a quarter pipe. But I do enjoy skating quarter pipes. So I bought this so you guys don't have to. You can still buy it. It's still fun. I'm gonna make another video skating street with it. That video, I'll probably do more tricks on it and I'll probably like it better because it's gonna stay stable a lot better on like rough ledges and brick banks and stuff that's not worn down and curved and covered in wax. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this kind of content, scroll through my channel, check out my other videos, and hit that subscribe button because I got a lot more videos to come. Thanks for watching.